Hello everyone, welcome to Nex-Tech. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Now let's get started. If you're torn between what Apple is going to call its upcoming low-cost iPhone, a promotional pre-sale poster spotted outside of a Korean mobile store might give you some ideas. Bear in mind that the name iPhone 9 has been mentioned earlier, and it would make a lot of sense given that it's expected to feature upgraded specs but sport an iPhone 8 chassis. Others still believe that Apple will name it the iPhone SE 2 since it will be the direct successor to the iPhone SE. In any case, take a look at this promotional image and be the judge yourself. Promotional pre-sale poster also gives you free AirPods with an iPhone 9 purchase. It's a deal unheard of before. An outlet belonging to Korea Telecom has seemingly opened up pre-orders for both the Galaxy S20 and iPhone 9. To encourage customers to place a pre-order, Korea Telecom appears to offer a free pair of Galaxy Buds Plus for Galaxy S20 customers, and free AirPods for those who secure an iPhone 9. The only two pictures shown on the posters belong to the AirPods and the Galaxy Buds Plus, probably because Korea Telecom isn't keen on letting customers or media outlets know the design of the iPhone 9 or Galaxy S20. Korea Telecom is South Korea's second-largest wireless service provider, so it's difficult to believe that these images are fake, unless of course they were manipulated using editing software. Apple doesn't follow the practice of giving freebies with an iPhone purchase, so it's likely up to carriers to make customers happy in this fashion. Bear in mind that the $699 priced iPhone 11 doesn't even ship with a fast charger in many markets, and here we have a free pair of AirPods being given out to early iPhone 9 adopters. If the offer is legit, a lot of customers might forego a Galaxy S20 purchase simply because an iPhone 9 purchase will give you more value. After all, it's reported to come with an A13 Bionic and a $399 starting price, making it more affordable and powerful than the Snapdragon 865 fueled Galaxy S20. A previous report from Ming Kai Kuo stated that Apple expects to sell 30 million units of the iPhone 9, or iPhone SE 2, whichever suits your tongue, making it quite a popular handset in various markets. So what do you think will be the official name of Apple's low-cost model? The iPhone 9 or the iPhone SE 2? Let us know down in the comments. Don't forget to like and share this video and become a member of our channel by press subscribe button.